Oh, sorry, kick.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready because these owls are here to show that wisdom sometimes takes a day off.
Hi, baby. Hi. I get your feet. I get your feet. I get your feet. I get your feet.
I've been waiting for my Hogwarts letter for decades. About time.
Sorry, I won't do that again.
He is the chosen one. May the wisdom be with you. Apparently, do not disturb means do not disturb the performance. When you ask the professor a dumb question,
I get a hoo-hoo. Good job, buddy. Thank you for that hoo-hoo.